Today our class is going to be an electric energy. But electrical energy is one of the energy. My dear Charvik, are you focusing here? Electrical energy is one of the energy. Hey, I'll ask you one small question. You have a 9-volt battery? Anyone has got a battery? One battery? One battery. I never asked this question to the small boy. A small boy. Here I don't know, there is a cylindrical shape in my hand, like a bullet in the gun. But what is there inside, I don't know. Can you tell me what is there inside? Electric power. Begin to this boy. Begin to this boy, man. Can come and show everybody? Electric power. Show everybody. Show everybody. Here I have electric power. Take a photograph of this one. Okay, come on. What is there inside this box? What is there inside the cylinder? Inside that particular... what is there? Electric power. Now my question is going to be, to the small tiny kid, how much electric power? We can also say electric energy, but how much energy? The electric energy is measured in watts. Okay, watts are nothing but product of voltage and current. Yes or no? But now that is only 1.5 volts written on the battery. They have not mentioned anything about the milliamperes, amperes, current. Yes or no? That depends upon your load, what you are connecting onto the same energy source. That I might explain even on the whiteboard as well. Okay. Now, these are the very simple, important. Now, Charvik, actually, here you can see one more battery, right? So this is what? What is this? Okay, this is 9-volt battery. Again, energy, electrical energy. Right, good, very good. Please sit down. I will ask you later some more questions. Now another one question I am going to ask him. You come here, I am going to ask. I don't know how these days kids are amazing to answer. See man, this is a torchlight, yes or no? But of course, it's a solar charger. Solar torchlight. It's not regular, it doesn't require 220 volts, okay? Now, Charvik, can you answer me why this lamp is glowing when I'm going close to this window? See, all of you can see here. See, there's a lamp here. Now, can you see? The lamp is glowing there. Can you all see the charge lamp is glowing there? Charvik, can you answer me why this is glowing? Because it is
taking the electric power.
From where it is taking electric power?
Solar power, and it is converting to electric power.
See, what is that he said? He is taking light power and converting into electric power. That means here is a solar panel. It is converting the photon energy of the light ray and converting into electric energy. And that is going for a charge. That's where you find the indicator is on when I am going close to this. You see? Can you see that red lamp is on? You can now practice it. I just keep it there, okay? So this is how amazing kids. So India is not very far, man. In similar, we also have a lantern. And if you try this also, taking close to the window, hey Charvik, you go and try this, whether the charge lamp is coming or not, when you expose light rays onto this, okay? You will experience. Later you can also give it to all the students, okay, my dear friends? And